Okay, in this lesson we're talking about transformations and more specifically rotations. So when we're talking about rotations, I personally like to think about a clock. This helps with degrees. So if we're talking 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, that angle right there, that's a 90-degree rotation. And if we're talking 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, that is a 180-degree rotation. And then if we're talking 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock, that right there is going to be 270 degrees. And then obviously an entire turn from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock is our 360 degree. And then clockwise is the way a clock goes, and the opposite of that is counterclockwise. Okay, so if we're using this figure right here, ABCD, we are going to rotate it. Nope, that's not it. Let's try that again. We're going to take our figure and rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, there's a 90-degree rotation. Then we're going to take the same image and we are going to rotate it 6 o'clock. So 180 degrees. There would be 3 o'clock, and there's 6 o'clock. And then we have 270 degrees. So we're going to take this one, and that's going to go from 12 o'clock. There's 3, there's 6, and there's 9. If you watch the green dot, that's kind of what I'm talking about as far as the clock goes. So there's just an idea, and if you look at the original over here, and look at the placement of the letters, how A, B, C, and D became the 90 degrees by all turning. They all became 180 degrees. So it's not a mirror image, okay? It has been turned. And then lastly, this 270, if you look at the original, that could also be 90 degrees counterclockwise. I just realized it's out of the camera view. My bad. Okay. So that's just a general idea of rotations. Okay, so here is our image A, B, and C, our pre-image, excuse me. So we want to take, we're going to move it about the origin. You're going to hear that kind of terminology. Move it about the origin. That means that the origin is like the middle part of your clock, that you're going to move all of these parts around. So if we're moving this 90 degrees, we're going to do this one in blue. If you look right here, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units away from the center of our clock. If we take that and we rotate it 90 degrees this way, A is now going to be 9 units away from the center. Okay, if we look at B, B is 2 units up and 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. So moving at 90 degrees, we're going to go 2 units away and 4 units down. So this becomes B prime. And C was just 2 units up, so it's going to go 2 units for that 90-degree turn. And there's C prime. That's a lot of blue. So there's A prime, B prime, C prime. That has rotated 90 degrees about the origin. Okay, now we're going to take it and do a 180-degree turn. So from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So A is, again, 8 units away. So we're going to take it 8 units away. Down here. And that's going to become A prime. Sorry, this is our red guy. Okay, C is 2 units up, so 180-degree difference is going to be right here. That's C prime. And then B, we went 2 up and 4 to the right, so now we're going to go 2 down and 4 to the left. Total opposite. And that is B prime. So there we've got A prime, B prime, C prime. Make sure you got your primes on there. So that is 180 degrees. I think I messed one of these up over here. I took that one, the blue one unit too far. I'm going too fast. That's what happens. Okay, and then 270 degrees, we're going to take this and bring it all the way around to 9 o'clock. All right, so Let's start with C since it's nice and close. If we move that 270 degrees, that's going to fall right here for C prime, and then we'll do A next, 2, 4, 6, which is 8 units. Yeah, I did mess that up the first time. So this is A prime out here. We can connect those dots if you want. And then we have B, which another way to look at it, since we know where C is, that's an easy one to find. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from C. So if you just take this 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from C, it's kind of an easier way to do it also. Another idea too, you can take a piece of paper and cut out the shape and just move it with your hands and then trace it along, just to give you an idea of where the coordinates would be. So now we have the original, and it has rotated 90 degrees, 180, and 270 about the origin.